Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing the most important question and also repeated question is asked in Capgemini. As we know that in a Capgemini the first round is pseudocode round. Only if we are clear that one, then we can able to move to the next round. So pseudocode is a simple, and there are 30 question is there, and in this there are most important and then repeated Capgemini question. We will see this one, and just five, and in this part just six question is there. Just observe these things, and I also uploading more videos. Again, I will in part one there are six question is there, and I will try to upload more videos. And just comment in the below section if you want more videos like this. Let's, without wasting time, let's get into the question. As we know that in the first question there is a struct point int x comma y comma z. Fine. Int main, the struct point p1 dot y equal to 0 comma dot z equal to 1 comma dot x equal to 2. So, and they are printing p1 dot x, p1 dot y, p1 dot z. So many of them thinking that it is gives an error because there are no initialization of variable happen, because xyz are not declared. So many of them put try to compile error, but actually this is wrong answer, because in the structure there is one special properties there. The variable initialization is done by using dot operator only, so it does not throw an error. So here percentage d print p1 dot x, because object calling object, it's calling object, right? So p1 is what? Object. So p1 dot x, how much x? Equal to 2. So first it will print 2. After that, second percentage, so it will print p1 dot y, right? P1 dot y, how much? P1 dot y? 0. And third, p1 dot z, how much? Z? 1. So there are b, so b is the correct option. Okay, b is correct answer. So let me change the color. So b is correct answer. Okay, going to the next pseudo question. Okay, there is a enum. You know, right? What is enum? It's just calculate the numbers, and I will tell you what enum function, what enum exactly do. So enum days, Monday -1, Tuesday I don't know value, Wednesday 4, Thursday I don't know, Friday don't know, Saturday don't know. Then I need to print how much. Percentage d means Monday value, Tuesday value, Wednesday value, Thursday value, Friday value, Saturday value. Here, as we know that Monday equal to -1, so I can straightly say that Monday equal to -1, comma, what is Tuesday? We don't know, but here enum plays roles, because enum just increment this one is 1. So what happened? -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0, comma, again Wednesday is initialized as 4. Fine. Again Thursday, continue. There is no, so increment 1. 4, after 4, 5. After 5, Friday 6. Saturday 7. So answer would be A. Okay, this is the answer. And going to the next question, as we know that there is a function declared here, the static int count equal to 0, count plus plus return count. Fine. In main function they are called this function two times. Okay, in first time calling, what happened? Count initialized as 0, then count plus plus means count becomes 1, then 1 return to this function, so printf 1. So 1 is printed first time. Again second time calling, what happened? During second time calling, many of them initialize count equal to 0. As we know that they what write again output equal to 1, and they may mark this as answer, but actually this is not answer, because static variable initialize only once. After that, that will erase. So static, so during this function it's there, but during this function second time calling, this whole statement is not there because static variable exists for only once. So it straightly comes to here count plus plus previous count equal to 1. Now it becomes 2. So which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. So guys, do not make mistakes while writing exam. Just observe carefully. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment. I will clarify your doubt. Then let's yeah, this is one of the tricky question, and most of the time is repeated question in the Capgemini. So first of all, let's see function. Okay, stack. Let's create one stack. This is my stack. Whenever n equal 1 greater than 0, let's here n is not given. No, I only assume that n equal to 10. Fine. So and here I didn't give the option, I directly tell the answer because it is tricky question and you cannot solve because it's tricky. Okay, I will directly tell the answer to you after explanation. Let's take n equal 10. You can take anything. So n is greater than 0. Fine. So I need to push to the stack. That is, what should I push to? N mode of 2 means remainder I need to push. So 10, if I divide with 2, how much remainder? Remainder equal to 0, right? Remainder equal to 0. So 0 I pushed. Okay, fine. After that, I should divide n equal to n by 2. So 10 divided by 2. How much? Now n becomes 5, right? So 5 goes here. 5 greater than 0. Again, I need to push 5 mode of what? 5 mode of 2. How much? What is the remainder? 2 2 is the 4. 1 is remainder. So 1. Again now n equal to n by 2. 5 by 2. How much? Coefficient is equal to 2, right? So again 2 greater than 0, push n mod 2 is equal to 0, right? Okay, then again 2 divide by 2. How much? 1. 1 is greater than 0. Again 1 mod of 2. 1 mod of 2. How much? As 1 mod of 2, how much? 1. Remainder is 1 because 2 0 0 and 1 remainder, right? So that's what I've written 1. Then okay, this completed. Then while loop. Until we need to empty the stack, I need to pop the content of stack. Okay, this is my stack form during only this much of statement. Then I am popping until the stack will be empty. So first I will pop 1. Okay. After that 0. Okay. After that 1. Right. After that 0. So you can observe here. Just erase these things. Okay. So what is this? 1010 means equivalent to how much? 8421, right? 8 9 10. So 10, it's nothing but equal to 10. So actually this function is doing what? Printing the what? Printing the what? Binary value of n. So there is one option is called, it will printing the binary value of given n. So for this answer, for this answer for this answer is printing the binary value of n. Okay, and this one guys, and this is the simple snippet guys. I am giving you to homework guys. This is the simple snippet I am giving you to homework guys. Just this is homework. Okay, just it is simple. Just comment in the section guys, and guys please do not google these things or do not execute the code in the compiler. Just whatever you know, just comment it in the comment section. If you are wrong, and I will correct it, and I will tell the reason why its answer is actual answer. So just comment it. Thank you guys watching. Please subscribe to this channel because if you subscribe to my channel, then in value to my effort. So please respect my effort to making this video. I will be putting more videos on Capgemini. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.